Mrs. Tulog. Hi guys. Good morning.
Good morning. Day 1 of our color trip. Stopover here at the
Time check, it's 7 a.m.
7 a.m. Morning.
That's where I look
7:17. This is how we look during mornings. Sabi niya, every morning I look like Labubu. So I really look like Labubu in the morning. Focus mo muna ng front slide na clip.
This is the hanging bridge.
Everyone's taking their photos in Pantapungan view deck. Hindi ka katakot pala. Oh my god.
Bakit ganon? It's raining man.
Dami mong drama, M. Drama mo sa buhay. Nakatakot. Si Bibi Boy. Run! That's a beautiful homeless right there.
Ulan ka lang! Hindi mo pipigilan yung aking paglakad sa amin.
Where are we going?
Yung wala kang tulog.
Wala ka pang tulog. Tapos ganito pa yung dadaanan mo.
Uy! Uy!
Say hello to the vlog. Dead mo siya.
Oh no!
Partner sila. Wow! Siyempre hindi ka rin papatala. Wow. Oh, that's the rain. That's my view.
Mother Earth is copying me.
Ano yan? She told you what?
She told me to take it off. And then 5 minutes later, she's copying me.
Ano tita?
Hi vlog.
Camera nyo.
Apo! Wow! Yan na yun!
Ready, 1, 2.
Siyempre di magpa-poly si M. Ooh! Tingin niya.
Alam ko naman, may sasama na naman sa vlogger yun. Eh, sino yan? Ayan, nasa harap pa.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, yay! Hi friends!
Perfect.
My friends! My friends! Where are you going? Hey, I just want this. Hi! Hi! They don't like me. Andun kay, tita?
Ha?
Yung malaki? Maliit.
Perfect.
Gusto ng coffee mo? Ay, di dana ka. Ito? Oo. Nakakantok naman.
Pero naubos na.
Gusto na. Hindi kanina pa nakakagising. Pero dito pa kami nato. Ayun naman yung
Gusto ng coffee niyo.
alam mo sa kanya? Si.
Plastical!
Kaya maalala ko nasa dagat siya.
Coffee mo.
Good.